It looks like Leo is cast way up in a tree because his guide is up the top of the tree, climbing the tree. Leo, how could you? How did you? Even worse, you were using my fishing pole. Maybe he's up there picking up some fresh fruit. There he is. Way up in the tree. Oh Lord.